Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this fake snow mist effect on your edited videos in the CapCut mobile. So just add your clips that you want to edit, and to easily add the snow mist effect, you can just go to effects, click on this video effects. Okay, so let's find the nature category, this one. And in here you can just select the snow mist effect. Okay, this one's right here, so just click on the effect, and here you can always adjust the speed and also the atmosphere. I'm going to make the speed faster into around 55, and I'm going to just leave the atmosphere to 100. Click on the check icon and don't forget to adjust the length like this, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.